make 2 sections out of your hairs, then make 3 sections on each side. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently with the help of your hands and braid it till the bottom and then attach it or tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now roll it and tie it with the different rubber bands and then tilt it nicely, and it is all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, make 4 sections out of your hairs. Now, from the bottom section, make a braids out of it as it is shown in the video. Repeat the whole process and attach it till the top. Now, braid it and make it into a bun, and it's all done. For this one, make a ponytail and then divide it into 2 parts. Now, take the first part and pull it inside out. Then repeat the whole process as it is shown in the video and make it into a bow. Now, tie it with the help of a rubber band very nicely and pull out it as it is shown in the video. It's done. For this one, make a ponytail and then tie it with the help of a rubber band very nicely and tightly so that it won't come out. Now do the whole process. Now take the ponytail and make it into 3 parts. Now take the first part and start braiding your hairs by taking the smaller sections into it. Then repeat the whole process very nicely and gently so that your ponytail will look good. Then repeat the whole process till the bottom slowly and gently, and then tie it with the help of a rubber band or any accessories you want, and then take the bottom part, pull it inside out, and it is all done. For the next one in the video, take 3 sections of your hairs. Now, by taking the smaller sections from each section, tie it with the help of a rubber band. Keep taking the smaller sections from each sections and tie it with the rubber band. Now, repeat the whole process until your remaining hairs gets done. Now, take the hairs and open the ponytail, and it's done. For the next one, make a half ponytail. Now take the remaining hairs and make the 2 braids out of it. Attach it and then make a braid out of it. Make it into a little bun, and it is all done. Attach an accessories. For the next one in the video, take a hairband and attach it to your hairs. Now, take the small sections of your hairs and tie it with the help of a rubber band, and then pull it inside out with the help of your fingers and tie it very nicely. Now, take the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs by taking the 3 sections out of it. Do it very nicely and gently by taking the ribbon in it. Now, repeat the whole process until it will comes to the bottom. Braid it nicely, attach it, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make 2 ponytails. Now take the smaller sections on the lower side and then attach it with the help of a rubber band as it is shown in the video. Now make 2 sections out of it, attach it to the ponytail as it is shown in the video, make the braids out of it and then a small little bun out of it, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.